Hello, welcome back to Anti-Chef Cooks the World. I'm Jamie, I am not a chef. I'm just a dude learning how to cook, teaching myself to make foods that are new to me, foods that I've never made before, and I want to make foods that are from all over the world. Different countries, whatever they're eating, I want to make it. So this series, I'm cooking a dish from every single country in alphabetical order. Today we're cooking food from Armenia. Armenia is a landlocked country and it's like in Western Asia, but it's in the Caucasus Mountains, which kind of serves as a border between Asia and Europe. And there it is right there. Armenian cuisine is ancient. It's like, goes back a couple years, thousands. I'm gonna be making dolma, which is also very ancient. It's an old one. And it's like typically minced meat stuffed in grape leaves. Let me just say this. I know that dolma isn't specifically an Armenian dish. Dolma is eaten in many different countries, including Armenia, where it's very popular. So I'm gonna make Armenian dolma today. That's it. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So firstly, let's just get some rice cooking. Finally chop up a couple onions. 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna just mince these up really finely. Parsley, big bunch. Off with the stems, leafy parts, that's what I want. Give this a good chop. I got a good system going right here. It's like I'm pushing the parsley underneath the knife while I chop, but I'm also being very careful not to chop my fingers up. Okay. In the bowl, I'm gonna add 500 grams of ground beef. Add in the garlic, onions, probably not all of them because I probably cut up too many. Parsley, which again, I think I went overboard. Mix that together, let's see how it looks. Way too much onion and parsley, I think. Just kind of palm this while you get rid of it. That's better. What's 150 grams in milliliters?
Milliliters and grams are not compatible.
That's what I thought. 150 grams of tomato sauce. I don't have a scale. So I'm gonna do 150 milliliters of tomato sauce. Get that all up in there. Don't forget about the rice. I'm gonna add a little bit by hand. I guess it's up to me how much rice. That seems like a good amount. So a couple handfuls. I'm happy with this amount. Add some pepper. Yeah. Add some salt. Mix. I was skeptical about finding grape leaves in the grocery store here in Canada, but actually it was no problem. It was in like the pickled section. These are grape leaves in brine. They'll do the job. If you're using canned leaves, wash in hot water. How do you get these out of the jar without breaking them? Okay, careful. Now the fun part. Spread a leaf on a plate or a cutting board wrong side up. Put a teaspoon, near the stem end. With your hands, fold the sides, then roll up like a cigar. That's all you're gonna give me? I've never rolled a cigar before. Spread it out like, fold it over once and fold up the sides like that, and then roll it all up together. It's kind of coming out the sides. Probably put too much filling in, that's probably what. Try that again. Ballpark around like a teaspoon or whatever of the filling. Put it at the base part with the stems like facing upward. Okay, so let's bring it up first and tuck it underneath. And then the sides up and up. Roll the sides in and then roll it all together. Yes. Perfect. Repeat the process. Roll it up first like that. Okay, now do the sides. Sides come in and then roll it all together now. I like that one. Some of them tear and it's okay. Repeat this until I either run out of filling or the leaves. See, once you get the hang of it, it's just cruise control. Like a cigar. I think I made enough. We gotta go over here. Get over here. Grape leaves are gonna go on the bottom of this pan to prevent sticking. Arrange the dolma in this pan on top of the grape leaves. This loose part of the leaf, that's gonna go on the bottom. So there's no flapping upward. In a pattern around the pan. Pretty little pattern, and some are on top of each other. That's cool. So I got a plate and I'm gonna put that upside down on the dolma. Nope, that plate's way too big. Son of a bitch. Smaller plate, yes, that works much better. Crate and barrel, not an advertisement. 2 cups of water. A little more tomato sauce for a little more flavor. The recipe says that's cool. What do you think? Should I put a lid on it or not? Okay, lid on. Lid on or off? I'm gonna cook this for like 50 minutes on like medium-high heat. Medium heat. I want the water to evaporate, so I'm not gonna put a lid on it. That's final answer. I'm gonna make a sauce. It's gonna be like a tzatziki kind of thing. I need 1 garlic clove minced to hell. Some mint. Freshen the breath. Mince the rest. Cup of Greek yogurt, minced garlic, minced mint, way too much. Kick some of the mint out. Mix it together. Salt, 1 crank of pepper. Boom, stop it. 2 cranks. How refreshing it is to be eating something like this without like a pastry or a dough or like a bun around it. Grape leaves, that's all you need. I'm going on a full grape leaf diet. It's kind of tangy, it's light, it gets in your teeth. It's just, that's all flavor. I enjoyed that more than I thought I would and more than you think.
I said bye in Armenian, it's hacho.
Hacho. Hacho. That's everything I have today. See you later. Hacho.